Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share to you how to make a hand stitch face mask. But before all that, I would like to show you this trick of how to lock the end of a thread. Just wrap around the needle and pull it up. And here you go. You lock the end of the thread. So here's face mask pattern, 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter, and a pipe cleaner for the nose area, and her thread and needle. Of course, they always comes together. And we have here an elastic, a 16 centimeter elastic, and of course we have a scissor. Here we have an old shirt. This face mask is made from old shirt that you can use at home if you don't have a fabric. This shirt is a perfect fabric for the face mask. So here is the pattern. You put it like that on the side. Just cut it, and you cut the fabric for a pleats later. It's like 4 cut, and then you fold it and follow it in the other side so that they're gonna be exactly the same distance at the other side, so your pleats will look good. And then you put it, plait it in the front fabric. You make the pleats here in the front fabric like that. The other side. Oh, don't forget to cut in the center so that you know where was the center of this cut, because we fold it. If you don't have enough fabric to fold it, you can just cut it one by one. You can cut 2 instead of 1, but this one I have enough fabric to cut, to double it, to fold it and cut it. So it's like, look like that. And you do it to the other side in that opposite direction, because when you put it together, they will be in the same direction to the other side. So it looks like this. This is a lot faster when you do machine, but this is a hand stitch. In case you don't have a sewing machine at home, then you can still do this, and you can use your old shirt at home. In case you don't have any access to anything, you can go to the store to buy fabric, because the fabric store now is closed. You can get it online, but it'll take forever to arrive. So old shirt is very useful right now. So you put a stitch here to secure the pleats. Like that. And then we secure this elastic here at the end. Just right here. Where did we sew it together? It's like 1 centimeter allowance from the edge of the fabric. And then we put in the other side, secure it like at a very center of the fabric. Make sure it is strong enough that if you pull the elastic to your air, it won't let go. And then we'll do this to the other side, same as the other side. I just like to pass forward this hand stitch is a lot longer than using the machine. But again, if you don't have access to a sewing machine, this is a lot better. You still can have your own homemade hand stitch face mask from your old shirt, or even if the shirt is not old, and if you don't like it anymore, so you can cut it and use it, give it to use. So here you have to sew it around, all around, and you have to left a little hole here in the center, just enough to turn the fabric inside out. Then we'll finish it, stitching it all around. And you have to lock it here very good so that when you turn the fabric inside out, it won't turn, it won't let go. So lock it here very good. There you go. Now it's ready to turn the fabric inside out. Here we have to fold every corner of the fabric like that, so that it looks good when you turn it inside out. And the other side, and the other side, and you turn it inside out, and ta-da! There you go. There you go, guys. This is look like this. Here, if you tried it on and you don't need the spring here, you don't need the wire in the top of your nose, and it fits really good for you. Like the Asian is okay for us because we don't have a long nose, but the people that has a long nose, then they have to put a wire here so that it will tuck into the skin and there's no air will get in the side of the nose. So that's why we put this pipe cleaner. There's a little wire inside it. I pulled that in so that it won't accidentally poke you. But here, and then cut it and tuck it inside. This is a lot easier than when you using a sewing machine, because if you use a sewing machine, then it's hard to sew with the wire there. I'm always scared that I'm gonna sew it and then it will break my needle. But this one is a lot easier, but it take longer though. We just sew it and feel where's the wire, and then sew it all around it so that it won't move. So it will stay in the center like that, and just locked it very good. And now there you have your nose wire. And here we have to close the little hole, the opening at the end, the little opening, and you can sew it a invisible state. It's a lot. It's very easy, guys. You can do it. Even the kids can do this. And here, and there you have it. You have your face mask from the old shirt at your home. Hope guys this will help you. We'll see you in my next video. There you go. It fits really good for me. So if you are planning to make it for your kids, just make it a little bit smaller than this. It's like 15 centimeter for the string, and make it a little smaller. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this will help you. Bye.